Hey, welcome to another vlog. So as you saw in our first vlog, we kind of just fucked around with cleaning detergent and sprayed it on my friend's 1999 Dodge Durango. But today we're gonna do something a bit more complicated. Not the most complicated thing. Not complicated in any way, shape, or form probably. But today I'm gonna be changing out the taillights on my Lexus IS300. Overseas in Japan and such, obviously known as the Toyota Altezza. So, as you can see by this footage right here, both of the taillights on my IS300 are actually cracked and completely damaged beyond repair. So, what I've done is, I've gone ahead and bought Altezza spec taillights with the covers over them off of some probably busted Altezza in Japan, because when they were shipped over, one of them had a clipped wire. I'm not sure if you can see that. Let me get that in here. Had a kind of clipped wire right there. So it's probably off of some junk Altezza, maybe some IS200 in Europe, because as far as I know, the IS300 was never sold with these taillights here in America. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull this thing up because it's hot as hell outside. And I'm going to pull the Lexus in right now. So while I was taking the shots of the cracked taillights, I realized now that I just got these in yesterday and they're really dirty and dusty. So what we're going to do is we're going to spray some glass cleaner on them, some sort of thing to just clear them up and make sure they're all good before they go on the car. So what we're going to use here, if this focuses, what we're going to use here is some Mother's M-Tech Instant Detailer, which we're just going to spray it on there and wipe it off with a little microfiber, which I have right there. See some little grimy bits under there. We're just going to spray it on there. As expected, the battery in the Celica is dead, so I'm going to charge that up real quick. Let's let that run for a bit. Lexus out and switch the cars out. Right, because I'm sitting on the bumper here. So, I forgot to hit record on a couple things, and so cars are switched out now, and when you get to the taillights, Celica's in the driveway, Lexus is in here. Let's get started. If you guys have never taken off the taillights to a Lexus IS300 before, it's actually extremely easy. As long as you can open the trunk, you're pretty much set. All you're going to need now is a Phillips head screwdriver, a large one obviously, and a flathead screwdriver to pry off some little caps. So we're going to do that now. Let's open the trunk. So these are the caps you want to pop off if you want to pop off your taillights right here. These are the things you'll need the flathead for. So there's two of them here, and what I want to do is there's some little slots at the bottom. Maybe this is a bit too big. Yeah, this one's a bit too big. I'm gonna grab a smaller one. So I just pulled this one out from Celica. Let's see if that fits. Holy shit, dude.
6.5 hours later.
So after, Jesus Christ knows how many minutes, I tried a letter opener and many other flathead screwdrivers. I've managed to find a kit with small flatheads, and I swear, if these don't fit, I'm going to do something. Right there. It's one clip. There we go. Just gotta kind of pry out the right. Now, I'm gonna take the Phillips head, and there we go. God, that's horrifying. Take that out, all the way out. On the bottom side, who's that neighbor? That side out now. I'm sweating everywhere, guys. Nevada deserts do not treat you well. Especially when you're wearing a gray shirt and jeans. So this should just be able to pop out now, right? There we go. finesse it out. And then let's take the bulbs out. One double. I might just, there we go. There is that junk cracked. I don't know how much of that you guys saw, but hopefully you got the gist of it. Busted, cracked, horrible taillight. Take this used one right here, nice and scratched up. Take all connectors out of this one. So, big one. Oh, it was already like disintegrating on the way out. Alright. This one, go right up there, and this one's gonna end up going right there. Trying to get a gist of everything here. There's a clip right there. There's a little nub that you stick into a little hole. Go into the bottom. It's the easiest way. There we go. And feels like it's on. Yes. That is exactly what we want. Just take your big screwdriver and now, just take our clips, just carefully put them back on without damaging them. And we have a new taillight. That's pretty. That is pretty. So I'm not going to bore you guys with filming the other side, and we're just going to skip to the end now. So let's go. I'm back sooner than I expected, and it's because I ran into something, and I'm not sure if it's like this on just the Japanese and European cars that had these covers on them, but I'm not sure what this is, because this is a USDM taillight right here, and I'm not sure if there's a difference again, so this could just be universal. But there's a little tab and a place where this little connector goes right here, this one. And it's not on the one that I got, so I'm not sure if that's gonna affect something, because I'm gonna look it up right now on like a forum or something, and if there's a difference, then I'm gonna try and recreate that as best as possible so I don't damage anything. But if it's just a minor thing, I'm just gonna leave it. So I'm back now, and I looked it up, and it doesn't look like there's anything. I mean, it doesn't even look like anything major would happen if these were to just kind of get loose. So I mean, because on the US taillight that I have, there's a little tab that sticks up right there, and it goes in like that. And obviously on here, it's not there. So we're just gonna leave it as is, and we're gonna see what happens, and hopefully it's nothing major. I'm gonna go with the same approach, and check this in. Yep, looks like they're all good. If there are any IS or Altezza guys watching this, there's something I'm doing wrong, don't be afraid to tell me. Don't be afraid to make fun of me either. So alright guys, so this is pretty much a live reaction. I just got done putting taillights on. You can see I just literally slammed the tools down on the ground. I've only seen it with the trunk up. Now I think it's time to see this down, see how these look. 3, 2, 1. That is pretty. I really like that. I know it doesn't show up well on film because it's silver. It kind of looks clear, but that is gorgeous. I really like that. I wanted to get these taillights on here for some time, so you can see there's a little dent right here. That's how the other one got cracked, actually. So I'm wondering why I'm so kind of emotional over this car, because this is actually a car I grew up in. I grew up riding in the backseat of this car. We got this car brand new, or my parents got this car brand new in 2002, and it's been with us ever since. And basically it's all stock except for these decent Koenig wheels that were put on in the mid 2000s. Obviously I'm gonna get a different set of wheels now that this car has been pretty much handed down to me. I have a lot of plans for it once I build up enough money to do stuff to it. We actually have a spoiler that we've been meaning to put on this car for a while. It's somewhere up there where it says organ. You can see organ? Somewhere behind there. So, yeah, I am very happy with this actually. Like, I still haven't fully comprehended how good these actually look on here. I don't know, there's always going to be that one guy that's like, oh, that looks hideous. I don't know why you're freaking out over it so much, but it's my car, so I don't really care what anyone else thinks about it. So, wow, that is beautiful. I just need to essentially just get a new trunk piece, because I don't really want to learn how to fix that myself. There you have it. This is Gino from Sakura Media, and this has been an install of JDM Altezza lights on a USDM Lexus IS300. Thanks for watching, guys. It's been real fun. I love this. See ya.